Come join us at our site service raid!
Hello! Let's see what's inside our site service. First of all, kailangan natin ng hard hat for our safety sa ating site. Pero bago ang lahat, promote po muna namin ang aming team. We are Team BPSI. Like, share, and follow. At ngayon, meron din po kaming envelopes, folders, at sample materials para sa aming presentation sa client.
These WPC wall claddings are from Polywood, windows from our suppliers, and swatches from KD Laminates.
Siyempre, bilang site engineer, hindi pwedeng kalimutan ang ating metro. Next is, meron po kaming mga blueprints para sa aming site inspection. At siyempre, inside our site service, meron din kaming alcohol, tumbler, at Jisoo Life. At dito na po tayo magtatapos dahil on the way na kami sa aming second site. Bye! Mababagkan na tayo!